So iPad mini 6. I'm a college student. At the time of this recording, this is my 4th year and I am majoring in technology management. But I am also a tech reviewer, a tech YouTuber, where I come here and I make videos and I talk about products like the iPad mini 6. I share my thoughts, my opinions, and my experiences of using these devices. And in today's episode, I want to discuss about how I use the iPad mini 6 as a college student and also as a YouTuber. So without further delay, let's dive right in. So number one is going to be content consumption. That's right, watching YouTube videos. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I mean, come on, I am a YouTuber. While I also make videos, I am also watching YouTube videos. This also does tie into how I get work done as a college student, but I'll get into that just in a little bit. When I watch YouTube videos, I'm mainly watching tech YouTubers and watching their content, supporting them, but also getting some ideas of how they express their content, how they film their content, and their thoughts, their opinions, what they have to say. And sometimes there are instances where I don't understand about a product and I want to learn more about it. And many times those tech YouTubers go into detail about the questions that I do have and they're able to answer them. So thank you all for that. But watching YouTube videos, it also does consist of watching like Amazon Prime and all that stuff. So really media consumption, and that does include number 2, which is going to be Call of Duty Mobile. Yes, it is entertainment. It is, come on, like sometimes we gotta have some entertainment and joy. We're not always going to be doing homework. We're not always going to be doing, work. We sometimes want to sit down and relax. And this is my relaxed device as well. I like to play Call of Duty. That's literally the only mobile game that I play. I have Pokemon Unite on here, but other than Call of Duty, I don't really play too much. And I also have Pokemon Go on my iPhone. But other than Call of Duty, like I said, I'm not really too much of a mobile gamer, but for entertainment wise, Call of Duty Mobile, like for gaming, is my go-to application. I absolutely love it. I've been playing it since its release, and you can't go wrong with Call of Duty Mobile. That brings me to number 3, the actual work that I do on the iPad mini, and that is going to be writing articles here on Medium. So while I do make tech videos and physical, content on here on the platform, I also do write articles as well on Medium. So here we go. There is Medium. I'm actually going to quickly sign in. There we go. So here is Medium, continue in mobile web. There is Medium. And sometimes there are videos that don't make it here, like on the platform on YouTube, and I just write them instead. And I want to share my thoughts in written format. And believe it or not, this actually has helped me with my school and has helped me improve in my typing speed, has helped me improve in my writing skills, and has helped me improve in research because I still tend to do research when I am writing articles on the Medium platform. And here I get to talk about EVs. I like researching about electric vehicles, Teslas, Lucids, Rivians, whatever you name, you'll most likely find here as an article. But those types of things are not really videos that I can make. I don't want to just sit here and talk about, the latest Tesla vehicles that are coming out if I don't have any extra footage, for example, of any Tesla. But here I am able to write articles, and as much articles as I please. I'll be leaving a link to my profile in the description down below if you want to take a look at my Medium profile. So there is that. And it's great because it's portable. I like to take this wherever I go, and I can sit down and pull up my wireless keyboard and start typing on the go. So that's a huge plus. Number 4 is actually going to be the fact that there's a mini display, but I use this display while doing homework. So I'll have my monitors set up in the middle, and also a desk setup is coming very soon. Let's actually put this over here. A desk setup is coming very soon. And then I'll have my iPad mini to the right hand side. In some scenarios, I'll have the clock. Flip clock is the app I use. And I'll just have a clock playing in the background on my iPad mini. Other times when I'm actually like really focused on doing homework, I like to open up just really any YouTube video and let it play in the background. Then if I didn't get to fully watch it, I'll go on later and watch it. But I like to have some sort of video playing in the background. For some reason, it just helps me focus. I just can't focus in pure silence. We're all different, and for me, it can't even be like a podcast playing in the background. I just need to have like a video playing in the background. So if I do look to my right or left side, wherever that content is, I know that there's something playing. It just helps me focus a little bit more. So number 5 is actually going to be wallpapers. As you can see right here, this is my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Ripple. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. But the wallpaper packs that I have made before, all of them have been made on the iPad mini 6. And I use my Apple Pencil 2, which I actually don't even have at the moment. But I turn on Procreate. There is a couple of wallpapers that I just have, not released. I've been playing around with them. Some of them I don't like, so I didn't release. Some of them I'm actually working on that I don't want to show on screen right here. I want to leave those for the future. But really, in essence, this is like the wallpaper. Procreate is the app that I use to make wallpapers. And if you guys have any good suggestions on like Procreate video tips on how to create even better wallpapers, let me know. I definitely want to take a look, and I want to learn more on Procreate. And the wallpaper packs has really been a good thing for me, communicating and growing the channel, as well as meeting new people. It's been awesome. So thank you all so much for those who do support the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. So last one is going to be the car infotainment system. I did make a video about this last year, and a lot of comments were like, I hope you don't watch videos while you're driving. And no, I don't. If you see any clips of me or clips of the iPad while I'm driving and showing a video, that's just for the purpose of this video, because that's what it does. When I'm in park, like I want to eat lunch in my car, whatever it is, grab a quick snack and I want to eat at my lunch, I can pull up YouTube on here. I can pull up Amazon Prime. I connect it. This is not the cellular model, so I connect it with my hotspot on my iPhone. Works very seamlessly, and I'm able to watch content like that. But don't worry, as I'm driving, I may have a soundtrack open or a podcast open in the background. And the most I'll do is I'll turn on Flip Clock and have that running. And this is just the free version. So there is that. I'll put it up to full brightness right here. And that's it. I don't really have anything else going. Sometimes when I do drive, I try to open up Apple and Google Maps. But again, this one doesn't have GPS, so it's not the most accurate. I have used it before, and while it does get me from point A to point B, I actually did take this on a long, a 5-hour trip previously in the past month, and it wasn't that accurate, so I just turned it off. But like if I'm in town, and since I already know everywhere, mostly everywhere, let's put it that way, I just want, put it out there, try it out, and for the most part it works. But especially on a 5-hour drive, it was starting to give me hiccups. Like I just want to calculate, and I had to put it aside. So there is that. But I'm really using this to interact with many of the things, like the time really is the big thing there. And then when I'm sitting down in my car, I just want to have lunch or have a snack. I open up, and I want to like enjoy my time, so I want to open up something on a large screen, and this is the largest screen. I don't like watching when I'm eating food, for example, when I'm having lunch or breakfast or something, whatever it is, or a snack or drinking coffee in my car. Like I just don't want to watch it on my phone. I just like having a larger screen, and the iPad mini does do the job. So the last app that I want to show you guys that I use as a college student is going to be Notability. And I pretty much take notes when it comes to studying for a test and whatnot, but the most easiest thing for me is the fact that I can just take these notes and directly airdrop them to my MacBook. Continuity, fluidity of airdrop has been a breeze. It helps me both with the YouTube channel and also with school. If there's a file on my MacBook and I want to airdrop it to my iPad so I can just carry my iPad and study from there, that has also been a huge help as well. Other than that, I'm not using Notability to take notes for as a YouTuber, but as a college student, it really has come in clutch. And the iPad mini 6 has just kind of helped my productivity. It has helped ease the way I get work done. And it also has been a great product to use for entertainment. And I definitely would recommend it. If you haven't tried out the iPad mini 6, definitely try it out. Go to your local Apple store or your Best Buy, whatever it is. Try out the iPad mini 6. And if you want to pick up a cellular version, even better. I guarantee you'll really like the iPad mini 6. That's been it from me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.